Hi guys, welcome to Yale's Cooking that makes healthy and yummy foods without processed foods, gluten, sugar, dairy products, caffeine, and alcohol. Today I'm going to make gluten-free vegetable dumplings. When I've got wheat flour intolerance, one of the things I wanted to eat was dumplings. So I developed a recipe by picking only healthy ingredients. It is healthy and it tastes fantastic. Don't miss the secret ingredient that can store dumplings for a long time in the middle of the video. Are you ready? Let's go and cook! To make vegetable dumplings, first you need rice papers for wrapping. Check rice content before you buy the rice papers. I bought rice papers with 68% rice, but many other brands that contain only about 10% of rice and over 80% was tapioca starch. So maybe it's better to call them tapioca papers, not rice papers. And you need 2 blocks of tofu. You can see only 1 block of tofu on the screen, but I added 1 more later in this video. 1 onion, 2 shiitake mushrooms, 2 king oyster mushrooms, 8 green onions, and 20 chives. You can replace the green onions and chives with any kind of leeks or spring onions. I added a half carrot later in this video. And at the back, soy sauce, sesame oil, and avocado oil. You can use any cooking oil instead of avocado oil. Now it's time to make the dumpling filling. I'm going to chop all the vegetables. Chop spring onions. Next, chop 2 king oyster mushrooms. You can use other types of mushrooms instead. Chop 2 shiitake mushrooms. Chop half carrot into small pieces. Chop 1 onion. You can also slice the other vegetables in your refrigerator to make the dumpling fillings. Last but not least, finely slice the chives. This is called buchu. It's less spicy than leeks, so I will put raw buchu, not fry with other vegetables. If you are going to use leeks or chives that are spicy, fry with other vegetable fillings. Next, wash tofu with tap water and put it in a pan. Fry the tofu with medium heat without cooking oil and make it dry. It will go inside a rice paper, so if the tofu has too much moisture, the rice papers will be torn. If the tofu is dried enough, put it in the bowl and put it in the side. Now it's time to stir fry the vegetables with medium heat. Put the avocado oil into the pan and fry the green onion first to make green onion oil. Stir fry green onions about 2 or 3 minutes. If the green onions are fried, put shiitake mushrooms, king oyster mushrooms, carrot, onion into the pan, except for the chives. Fry the vegetables until they are transparent. Do you see the color change? If the vegetables are well fried, put the fried and dried tofu. Mix with vegetables and stir fry them. I think it's well fried now. Put stir-fried vegetables and tofu into the bowl. Put 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. I added half tablespoon since mine was low salt soy sauce. You can put less soy sauce if you are planning to make the dipping sauce. Put 1.5 tablespoons of sesame oil. Put raw chives and mix well. You are doing great if your dumpling filling is similar to what you see on the screen. I don't want to burn my hands, so I will let them cool for a while. Now it's time to roll. From the left, prepare a plastic tray, rice papers, a bowl to put hot water, a large plate that is big enough to roll the dumplings, hot water, and room temperature water. I don't want to burn my hands, so I will mix hot water with room temperature water. Add hot water into the bowl while rolling the dumplings, and keep the temperature warm to make rice papers soft enough. Have you ever wondered about a mysterious ball behind? It's a secret ingredient I told you at the beginning of the video. It's rice flour. Once you start making the dumplings, you can see why rice flour is important. I used it to make dumplings doesn't stick with the plate, tray, and other dumplings. Sprinkle rice flour on the plate. Dip the rice paper into the warm water and make it soft. Gently shake off the water and put it on the plate. Place 1 full spoon of dumpling filling on the rice paper. Don't place the fillings in the middle of the rice paper. It will be hard to roll. Fold the edge of the rice paper sheet and fold both sides. And roll. Once more. Put rice paper on the plate. Put 1 full spoon of dumpling filling. Fold the edges and keep rolling. I made 29 dumplings. You see, they didn't stick together even though I piled up the dumplings because of the rice flour. You can put them in the freezer and fry them whenever you feel like eating dumplings. But I bet there will be nothing to freeze because it's so delicious. Now it's time to fry the dumplings. Unfortunately, these dumplings can only be fried. I tried to steam it, but the rice paper melted and the dumpling fillings escaped from the rice papers. So please fry them. Put avocado oil into the pan. Fry the dumplings with the low heat. If you see the hint of gold color, flip over and fry the other side. It's going to be crispy if you take time and slowly fry them with the lowest heat. If the dumplings are well fried, put them on the plate. I put sweet and sour carrot salad in the center and sprinkled parsley on top. It goes well with the warm gyoza dumplings. It's delicious to eat with salad or pickles at home if you don't have carrot salad. If you feel that dumplings are less salty, you can dip them in soy sauce. Enjoy with your loving friends and family. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you liked my video, please click like. And for more gut healing recipes, there will be more videos coming up. So please click subscribe for more upcoming videos. Please leave comments below if you like the recipe or if you have any questions. See ya!